Hey guys, I'm a dirty old G. Gotta get washer out, but like from the title, gonna do a UpRev flash, get the license on the ECU and everything like that. Um, Looked a couple of videos online. They were all old. UpRev has a new version of software. Well, updated version of software. Read through the old manual though. The manual isn't updated. The guide, how-to guide, isn't updated yet. So one thing I did was turned off the lights and everything like that. I haven't unplugged my Blackfoot yet. I got to do it on the car. But I also hooked up a battery charger to here, because you flash and do all that while the car is not running. So you don't want to have a loss of power while it's being flashed, or else you'd be in a lot of trouble. Read the manual, and they have a few little things you could try, a couple errors, so always read the screen and know what you're doing. Say, cable's already plugged in. Run it over. Where's it here? Let's unplug this camera up here. That way it won't take any power from the car. Yeah, great, just unplugged that. Anyhow, yes, forgive the mess in the garage and stuff. Southpointe cable. One thing I noticed when I was just basically playing around the program. It's always best, because sometimes I was crashing with different options and different functions. So what I've done, I have told it to run the program as an admin. So the ROM editor, download from their support site on the webpage, and run as admin. So click yes. I also have here the how-to guide. See some pieces of tape on the screen. I put those tape there because it's going to be a pain in the butt to actually move. Actually blur, because I have trust issues. Actually blur the serial number and the VIN number from the page with my head moving and stuff. So I was like, forget that. I'm just going to put a piece of tape, so it'll be much easier to do that. According to the manual, I believe it said to connect everything up and turn the car on. What was it? Everything so and so. Right before getting ready to flash, go practice out on all the programs for your months so and so. I didn't really do that. So let's just go do that. Let's close Chrome. Ah! That was actually my guide. That was derp. Come here. Open my window. Shit. Close window, damn it. Okay. Press support. UpRev guide. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay. Let's run the program. Alright, so run the program, UpRev, or but the new one is called UpRev ROM Editor, and this version is 106584. Been filming this in 2018. Okay, release 2213. Hope you see that. Now, so plug in interface cable to PC, verified, it reads it. Okay, so search for ECU. Alright. Then connect the interface to the other side at OBD port, and then turn the car on. There you go, car on. Lights shut off, everything off, radio off, AC's off, everything's off. Alright, so you see here, searching for ECU, ECU found. Check in ISO. And there we go. So I found the ECU part number, and VIN number and stuff. Another thing is take note of your VIN number. So I am 23710-1NX4 Alpha. So that's my VIN number. Okay. Now I said the interface is a little different. So after say on, if your cable's connected, you get ECU part number, battery voltage. It will not start at the voltages under 10.48 volts. Current ECU security status, ECU processor type. Which is ECU processor type? This is status, ECU ready. ECU currently has a factory or non-UpRev loader on it. You may also see a red prompt below the ECU type. It tells you have one license. License we use, ECU is reflashed. It will also tell you how many licenses are currently on your UpRev interface. That's the one. So you see, you can tell in this picture here, it's really different. Alright, so it was also called the UpRev ECU Flasher. Now it's not UpRev ROM editor. Alright, now we got load. It says load button. Use the window browser to locate the ROM, which is like the My Computer window, to locate the ROM file and flash the ECU. Okay. So Arista standard tune files will be located under folder UpRev ROM files. You know, I didn't even take a look at that. So let's go up here. So we go program files, see program files, UpRev ROM files. Look at that. Empty. Okay, so no. I guess that's when you downloaded it, it puts it in there. Alright, so we'll get to that. So once your ROM file has been loaded, ECU security should say okay. But like I say, it's different. It doesn't really have that option here. And then okay to flash ECU down here. So with this version, I play around it, and what I did was find out to get tune and stock files. When you click on that, you will get this window pop up, download ROMs. You put in my ROM, and you don't put in the first 5 letters, you put in the secondary. So 1 and X for alpha. Then click search. Okay, update found. What I did too, just as peace of mind, I copied ECU data. It takes a while. It takes a good 15 minutes, and I saved it to my desktop into a folder called UpRev. Desktop. Alright. So you'll see the bin file here. I have the tape on there. So it has the ECU part number and also the VIN number. I've also downloaded the ROM file already, but let me show you that. So update found 1N4XA, which is my ECU part number, is the 1X4C. Okay, so then all you gotta do is download the selected ROM. I already downloaded it. I could re-download it for you guys. It doesn't take that long to download. So UpRev. No, that's the program files folder. We go to desktop. U for UpRev. No. U again. UpRev. Right, download. Alright, so you have the ROM file there. Okay, close this out. Alright, so then we go flash tune file. We'll pick up the ROM file, hit open. Warning, you're about to flash a stock ECU with an UpRev tune file. This will require the removal of one license for your cable. Do you want to continue? Yes, we do. Flash. There it goes. Uploading stub. Woo. The car's fans came on. Now it's erasing. Programming. Okay, so while that's doing that, so while it's doing here, okay, The old one would be uploading ECU program, erasing, and then programming. So this was a little bit different. Let's keep on going. 50%. This is going good. A little nervous, honestly. Flashing stuff is always a little nerve-wracking. I've done a lot of flashes and different equipments, a lot of firmware hacks and stuff like that, but it's still always a little nerve-wracking. You never want to brick something. Look at that, flash complete. Turn off your vehicle. So we turn off. Alright, still says turn off your vehicle. Alright, after flash complete, you'll be prompted to turn the vehicle off after the vehicle has been shut off for a minute. So please turn on vehicle, do not start engine. Alright. Look, it says license used now and reflash complete. ECU found. Initializing connection. Checking ISO. Look at that. It has the new 1NX4C part number. License used. So looks like the flash is complete, guys. Thumbs up. ECU ready. Now I will just have to look at how to do some logs so I can send the logs files out and get an eTune. But I believe that is it. Guys, thank you very much. I guess, hold on. Let's go and start this bad boy up. Let's make sure everything looks okay. So I'm gonna plug, start up. Startup's good. Car's been off for a while. Let me get it off its frame. And it's kicking on. I guess let me go and plug the battery charger. Car hasn't been started in a couple days. Move this over. Guess we'll take it around the block, huh? Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go drive this thing around the block, make sure everything's okay. And I will see you all whenever we do the other video. When we've taken probably the logs for the e-tuning. So talk to you guys later. Alright, bye.